Okay, hi my people. How are we doing today? How are we doing today? Hope we are doing great. Hope we are doing amazing. It's always a good time with you guys. It's always a good time with you, my beautiful people. It's a new week. A new week. Definitely full of happiness, full of excitement. Let us get into our new week and we see how it's all going to play out. And hi, and you are doing amazing. It's a new week, so definitely let us have positive note. Why not? Why not? Okay, it's always a good time with you people, around you people. Classic Duke. Okay, yes. I had an amazing weekend. How about you? How was your weekend? That is Classic Duke over there. Okay. Ooh, Emmanuel. Yes, my dear, you are the very, very first one. I'm so happy and so excited to have you around. So let us get started. Ruth in the building. Ruth in the building, you're most welcome, my dear one. Happy to have you. Happy to have you over here. That is Onel. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are okay. Hope you are doing beautiful. Hope you are doing amazing. It's a new week. So, definitely what we look at, we are looking at a new beginning, all right? But on my end, same strategy. We are still using the same structure. So on your end, how is it going to be? How is it going to be? So come through, let us share. And as we join in, let me know where you are joining in from. Let me know where you are joining in from. Let me know where you are watching from. Okay, so let us get started. Pocket Option, that is a platform that I'm trading on for anyone who wishes to have an account of their own. Check in my YouTube bio. The link is always there. And joining them, that is Pocket Option. It's very, very easy. So check it out and then you will let me know. Okay, so definitely, I'm trading binary options, and over here, Brent oil OTC market is what I am having, right? That is the chart that you are seeing over there. 400 US dollars, 15 seconds. That is my time expire. That is my time expiry, and definitely 15 seconds still for the chart time frame and 5 seconds for the candle close. All right, so let us get into it. Like I said, pure price action. That is a strategy that I'm still using. Probably, maybe we could share through. We could share through. What strategies are you guys using over there? What strategies are you guys using over there and how are you finding them? Let us share today. It's a new week, so it should be beautiful and amazing. Doctor in the building. Hi, how are you? Hope you are doing great. You are doing okay. How are my amazing people from Nigeria doing? Guys, let me know where you are joining in from. Let me know. It's a new week and we should definitely be connected. We should do this together. Okay, that is Kashan. Hi Kashan, how are you doing? Hope you're okay. Hope you are doing great. It's beautiful to see you come through. Okay, Kashan is asking me what is the purpose of the donation contest. Okay, so as a trader over here, each and every single day, I come and have sessions over here that is for 2 hours. So there are people that definitely believe or who know that, okay, if I give Lena my money to trade for me, definitely it will be easy for me to multiply it. So I put it out there, just a way of giving back to you guys, right? Just a way of giving back to you guys. So you send in your money and I trade for you. Okay. So it's a way of giving back to you guys and definitely connecting with you guys. So through trust and definitely having that big and amazing community that I'm building here. So that's how it is possible to happen. All right. Okay, that is Olen. Hi, okay, I'm doing great. Olin, how are you doing on your end? Gift is here and she is saying, hi everyone. Hi, Gift, how are you doing? Hope you are okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Let's make profits. Okay, definitely let us make some profits over here. Let us make some profits over here. So definitely we come to the market, watch and watch the market direction. All right. Apply the market structure. Observe what the candles are up to or how they are behaving. And definitely we execute. All right. So let us get into it. Keep coming through. You're almost welcome. Happy to have you around. Happy to have you around. Okay, that is for you. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are okay. Hope you are doing amazing. It's a beautiful day, so definitely let us enjoy it. Let us watch the market together. Let us cut some amazing moves over here. And we see how the day is going to go. We are still young into the day, and to each and every one of us who is coming through, let me hope your weekend was amazing. And definitely let me hope over the weekend you managed to carry out some trading. As I keep saying with our OTC markets, we trade all through. So there we have a plus. We have a plus for us, so let us keep going. We are having a strong downward movement over here, as we can see. Okay, let us keep going. We are doing this together. So as we are coming through, okay, that is a sell. Okay, sell position over here. And I always love those spikes. I love those spikes. So it's definitely a continuation. Yes, yes, yes. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. So we have a plus over there. Let us keep it going. Okay, this is a clear down trend, as we can see. It's a clear one. So let us see how today's market is going to go. If I remember correctly, Saturday was not really so good. The market was acting up. Yesterday we became better. Then today, let us keep our eyes sharpened and we see. So we are still in a continuation. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. It looked like the buyers wanted to come through, but still the sellers were like, nah, we are here to stay. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Okay, so we are still in a continuation. This has been a long one. Okay. After that pullback, let us see what we can get. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. We are looking at the market together. Definitely, we are having some entries over here. Okay, that is Ojo over there. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are okay. Hope you are doing great and amazing. How are you? Yes, please. Yes, please send in your question. This is the best time for us. This is the best time for us to ask questions, right? Definitely before we dive into the donations. So let us use this time together. Okay, Bilan in the building. Oh, still learning how to control my emotions. Let me tell you, it's not easy. It's not easy, but it's something that can be done over time, and let the losses that you make teach you, like, take them in a positive way. That's where risk management comes through, all right? Take them in a positive way. Let risk management come through, because for as long as risk management is in play, there is a way you relax when you are trading. And trust me, when you keep relaxing, when you have that relaxed mind, there is a way you are always in control of everything that you are doing. So with the emotions, those disturbed me so much, because I always thought that the market was supposed to, the market was supposed to obey me, the market was supposed to be in line with what I'm doing, but that's not how the market works. So let risk management be your friend, like really. Let risk management be your friend. Put in something that you are willing to lose, all right? Do not, when you make a loss, for example, do not still put into the market something that is even bigger than what you lost. Instead, put in something smaller. Keep going, keep going. Your continuation keeps building and it keeps helping you with the emotion control. All right, slowly by slowly, you definitely get there. It's not easy. I cannot tell you that you're going to do it in one day. All right, it takes time, and we all adjust differently. But when you have certain things that you are following, your setup, having a plan, risk management is very, very key. Then being consistent, all those things help a lot. They help a lot. Okay. So keep it that way. And then we see. Okay. Okay, Lay is in the building. How are you doing? Okay, that is Akashan over there after the wins. Will you ask for tax, stroke fees, and charges for returns? No, my dear. Like I said, it's something that I am giving back to my viewers. It's something that I'm giving back to my audience. Okay, so I do not ask for anything in return. On my end, how do I benefit? Probably, maybe that is the question that you have in mind. How I benefit is that one, I trade for you. You people are gaining my trust, all right? You know that, okay, Lena is doing something authentic, Lena is doing something real for us. There, all I gain is building a bigger audience, because at the end of the day, that is what I need: a happy audience, a trusting audience, people that I can move with in my journey. All right, so that's it on my end. I do not ask you for maybe taxes or anything. I do not. I do not. Okay. How is it that you're so relaxed when trading? In the beginning, it was not easy. That is one thing you should know. But over time, like having those factors that I keep mentioning, being disciplined, being patient, risk management, being consistent in my trading, fighting so hard to manage my emotions, coming for trades after evaluating myself, or after finding ways of relaxing myself, because we all have different days, we all have different situations, right? So we always have things that put us off. But how do you relax yourself before you actually enter into the market? Okay, so all those with time, it's not something that is going to happen just today and today alone. It's over time things get better. All right, so you learn how to relax and know that you cannot chase the market. You cannot chase the market. And after knowing that you definitely cannot control the market as well, you learn how to know your limits, know what exactly you are supposed to do, what you should not do. Being in the market for some time, it teaches you a lot. So that's why you see that I'm relaxed, and probably maybe I take things simple. Okay. Cloudy over there, how are you? That is Solomon. The strategy that I'm using, that is a pure price action. Pure price action, where I basically look at the market direction. What direction are we in? Are we in an uptrend, a downtrend, or sideways? Okay. When we talk about directions, we look at three. That is the uptrend, the downtrend, and the sideways direction, or something that I will call the consolidation state. That is when the market is not decided. The buyers and the sellers are both in the market, but both of them have not decided, we've not yet gotten who is going to take over. Are they the buyers or the sellers? So for someone who is a beginner, it would not be wise for you to place in trades there. Okay. So after the market direction, we have the market structure. That's where we look at the higher highs and the higher lows if we are in an uptrend. Then the lower lows and the lower highs if we are in a downtrend. But of those, it's not that every higher high or every higher low or the opposite is a good point for us to enter into the market. We always have to look at those strong points, all right? That's where the candle close also comes in, okay? Are we having those engulfing candles? It's a combination of a number of things for us to be able to place in a trade. So that gives you a conclusive detail of the pure price action. We look at the market direction. We also look at the pure price. We also look at the market structure. Then we look at the candlestick pattern. How are they? How are the candlesticks behaving? Right? Is it an engulfing candle that we are looking at? Are we having a rejection? What kind of momentum are we having? All right. So that's what I focus so much on. Okay. I'm telling you, Dr. S Production is asking how much can I send to you to trade for me. Okay, so you're going to help me and go in my YouTube bio. That's where the donations link is. Go through it. The minimum donation that I'm receiving is 350 US dollars. That is the minimum that you can send in after agreeing to what you find in the donations link. The other steps are quite easy. Supreme is in the building. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Happy to have you around. Okay, I need you to know that we are here together. Okay. Miracle, how are you doing? Okay, Miracle is asking me how many years have you been trading? I had one become successful after 4 years. You and me, we are both different, right? And we both understand things differently. That's why I keep saying being consistent is very, very important. Do not come to the market today and then disappear for a whole month. At least, even if you're not going to trade, come and look at your charts, all right? Come and look at your charts, watch them, analyze them, understand the behaviors of the candlesticks. There is a lot for us to look out for in the market, and we understand the market so much, so we do not need a lot of knowledge here and there. being big headed, not disciplined at all. We are not patient. So, in the beginning, as someone who is just beginning, we have a lot that we overlook, we have a lot that we take for granted. But the market also has its own way of punishing us, given that you keep doing or you keep making the same mistakes. So the market keeps punishing you until you calm down. All right. But that also depends. You find that on your end, you will adjust very fast. On my end, I was big headed. You find that on the other person's end, things were done differently. So the fact that we are different people, we have different experiences, we get information differently. The people who teach us or the people who guide us are different people. So you find that if we are to come here and we share our different experiences through trading, it would be so funny. Like you listen to people's experiences and you are like, goodness, so that's it. It's not that you will start seeing the success after 4 years, but it's all information differently. Okay. All right, classic Duke over here. Okay, that is classic Duke. Please, can you explain your indicator setup and when to enter a trade on short time frames? Okay, so basically for the indicators, first of all, I'm using the alligator indicator and then also the MACD. Okay. So we are using the alligator indicator and the MACD indicator. So both of them are set at default, as you can see over there. So their setups, I've told you they are set at default. And then what they help me so much with, they help me in identifying the particular direction the market is taking, then also how strong is that particular direction we are in. So they help me identify over there. Then the other thing they help me with is they help me with identifying. They help me with signals. All right, they help me with signals. Most of all, for the alligator indicator, we have the green line, the red line, and the blue line. So what we look out for is that when the green line crosses the red and the blue line, there we definitely know, okay, we are getting a signal that we are crossing to a different direction, but that does not guarantee that we are actually crossing over to that particular direction or we are having a reversal. It doesn't guarantee. All right, so at times it might be in the process of crossing, and then we rush to enter into the market, yet it's actually a false one. So that's where the other confluences come through. That is the market structure, that is the candlestick behaviors. Then there we confirm that, okay, right here, first of all, we are having an engulfing candle, or we are definitely having a pullback. So with these two confirmations, then also the indicator is giving us this, then let us place a trade. Okay, so that's what I was telling you earlier, that the indicator cannot be used alone. Okay, the indicators always work hand in hand with the oof, I made a loss over here. The indicator works hand in hand with the strategy that you are using. Okay, right. Carlos, hi Carlos, how are you doing? Hope you are okay. Hope you are doing amazing. All right, Villain is asking, does anyone here use support and resistance? Okay, that is an amazing one. That is an amazing one. Right now, I'm using pure price action, but I've used it before. So please let us see people who have used or who are using support and resistance. Bilen wants to know. Bilen wants to know. Okay, Bilen, my focus is consistency, not quick profits. That's very true. That's very true. Do not focus so much on getting very many profits, but first be consistent, and definitely things become better. That is Lorian over there. 2 atoms. 2 atoms. Let us see. Definitely over there. We are still in a continuation. We are still in a continuation. Okay. Take your time before you place in a trade. No rush. One thing you and me should always know is that timing is very, very important. Very, very important. And the fact that we are trading binary options, just one slight delay like this, it leads you to a loss, right? So we are breaking below, but beautiful. Okay. All right. That is our first plus. We have just one more to go. Just one more to go. You know, there are people who understood so much risk management. If something does not go well today, then definitely it will go well tomorrow, all right? So that's why I keep saying that risk management should be our friend. You know how to, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So that is our first win. That is our first win. Congratulations. That is Lorian over there. Hey Pa, I see you over there. Then Video Truck is in the building. Hi Video Truck, how are you doing? Hope you are okay. Hope you are doing amazing. This or that, I actually say that's okay. I believe that's it. This or that. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great and you are doing amazing. Akram, hope you are doing great. That is pure price action. Okay. Oh, Len. Beautiful, beautiful. So Olin says price action works well for him. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. That is Brian over there. How are you doing? I see you in the building. Hope you are doing okay. Hope you are doing okay. Okay, Kenrick over there. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. Discipline is everything in the market. Oh goodness, you're very right. You're very right. That is Lay over there. That very true. Lay, I am with you. I'm with you. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Lay, I'm with you over there. It needs a lot of focus, a lot of attention. Okay, that is Sheila over there. Sheila Raymond. Okay, thank you. And definitely, we are having congratulations in place. All right. All right. Eagles fly. How are you doing? Hope you are okay. Hope you are okay. Eagles fly. Lena, when you get a chance, talk to me. All right. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, so Raphael is saying you said about checking on the higher time frame to confirm before entering. I didn't understand. For that, when we are in monitoring our market direction, all right, for someone who is a beginner, okay, so I'm doing two things at a go. For someone who is a beginner, what I meant by that is that when you check in a higher time frame, let me give an example, 3 minutes or 5 minutes, you find that if you check on those different time frames, and let me give an example, you are in an uptrend, then you come back to your smaller time frame, on my end, that is 15. If in your higher time frame, you are in an uptrend. When you come back to your smaller time frame, you are going to find that probably maybe you are having a pullback, all right? And when we are experiencing that pullback, what you should have in your mind is that just after a few movements, we are going to have an opposite direction, or we are going to have a downtrend. If in a higher time frame we were having, okay, sorry about that, that is fluffy over there, a 350. Okay, so in simple terms, it helps you identify in the smaller time frame what is going to happen, all right? When you check in your higher time frame, it helps you know exactly what is going to happen in the smaller time frame. So if in a higher time frame you are in an uptrend, you come back to your smaller time frame, after just a few movements, you will definitely go into the opposite direction of what is happening in a higher time frame. So what you have to know is that, okay, this is what is happening in a higher time frame, so let me get ready to sell in a smaller time frame. It helps you that way. It helps you identify what exactly is going to happen next. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Blessing is in the building. Hi, Blessing. How are you doing? Hope you are okay. Hope you are okay. Okay, so for Fluffy, we have a plus. All we needed was one attempt. Just one attempt, and we have it. Congratulations to Fluffy. Obama, how are you doing? Happy to have you around. We are so excited to have you join us. Okay, so please do not forget to like and subscribe. I always go live, that is 3 p.m. Canadian time. So please like and subscribe such that we are always here together, you and me together. That way, each and every single day, at least we learn a few tips here and there about trading. We go through the different experiences that we have while trading, or that we've had while trading. When I come here, I always share with you through experience what I've gone through, what I've experienced, what I've learned. So that way, it also helps you learn a few things from me. Okay, so let us keep it here, and then we see how to go about that. Interesting. Hi, how are you? Hope you are okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Official. Hi, how are you? Olen. Oh, Olin says a risk binary trading seems very risky to me. It is. It is. If I say otherwise, I will be lying. But definitely, we have a number of things that we follow, such that at least we reduce on the risk. Okay, so that is where, first of all, risk management comes through. That's why we need to acquire knowledge about the strategies that we are using, the indicators that we have. We need to have the discipline, the patience, emotional control. There are a number of things that we can have on our list that help us reduce, all right, reduce the risk. Okay, all in over there, 500 US dollars, and we are looking at a take profit of 3K. Okay, so I'm chatting with Olin over here, and at the same time, I'm going to trade for you. Thank you for sending in your donation. Happy and excited. That is a Sohaib. I'm good. How are you? How are you doing? Hope you're okay. Hope you are doing great. That is Akechi. How are you? Hope you are okay. Thank you for coming through. Just getting ready to trade for Olen over here. Angelo is in the building. He's in the building. Thank you for coming through. Okay, thank you, official. I do appreciate you. Video truck, you are very, very much appreciated each and every single day. We appreciate you. Lena appreciates you so, so much. Zabroni over there. Hi, how are you? Hope you are okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay, let us get started. Okay. So just before that, we were in a consolidation step, but now we have gotten direction and we are in beautiful. Right now, we are in a downtrend, as you can see over there, and we have our first plus. But we are looking at a take profit of 3K, so we are just getting started. Anis, I see you over there. How are you doing? Thank you for coming through. Sonso, hope you're okay. Hope you are doing great. So right about now, we are into our donations. For anyone who would love to know more about the donations, check in my YouTube bio. The link is over there. Okay. Interesting. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Interesting is joining us from Spain. All right. That is beautiful. So right now we are at 1K. We are at 1K. Interesting. You're most welcome. Happy to have you in the building. Let us keep going. Just at 1K, close to 2K. But remember, we are looking at a take profit of 3K. Rahman, how are you doing? Hope you are okay. Thank you for joining us. Hope you are amazing over there. Kashan, thank you, thank you. That's very true, Olin. That's what I've been talking about, advising us to always risk small, risk what we can afford to lose. Okay. That is okay with us. Look at that. Look at that. Right. So over here for Olen, congratulations to you. Congratulations. You requested for 3K, and here we are. Congratulations. So far, so good. We are moving on a positive note. So let me believe that all is going to keep going like this. When we have a good beginning of the week, that clearly sketches out how it's all going to be or how we should expect it for the whole week. Okay, so earlier on, we looked at some people who use support and resistance as their strategy. Then others were saying that price action does it better for them. So we should definitely, just that right now I'm having the donations, but we should have a full conversation about the strategies that we are using and how we see them, how they've benefited us, or the challenges and anything that we found with these particular strategies, the setups and everything that we have been using. Okay, because over here we are here for knowledge, for information, for improvement, right? Okay, so beautiful. Next we are having, that is Kahoris 352 items. We are moving on well. So let us keep watching and observing such that we are able to refine our entries. Okay. Oh, Lay saying he has tried very many strategies with no. Oh, with no success. It also depends. It's very good to try out something for some good time, not giving it just a week and then you are like, okay, it has not worked out for me, so let me leave it at that. All right, stick to it for some good time, stick to it for some good time. So beautiful, we have our first plus over there, one more to go. That's why I was saying consistency is very key and very important. Okay, Lay says emotions destroy many traders. That is very, very true. Very, very true. Okay. Belen says, my discipline improved a lot this month. That's the way to go. That's the way to go. Okay, so we go in for our last attempt. Oh dear. Oh dear, so we have encountered our first loss. So sorry, that is Kahoris. So sorry about that. Okay, that's a clear one. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so that is for Millie, and we are taking it for 3 items. Excuse me. Okay. Stefan over there, how are you doing? Hope you are doing amazing. Angelo, all the way from Madagascar. Hi, how are you? Thank you for coming through as we proceed with our trades over here. How are my beautiful people? You, that is amazing. So, just one more to go. Just one more to go. Okay, okay, okay. I'm already in the building. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are doing amazing. Happy to have you in the building. Definitely, definitely, we are always so excited to have you around. So we get ready for our last attempt. Okay. Interesting, all the way from Spain. All right. I definitely do not know Spanish. Just a few The beginnings, hola, I think that is hello. So, my dear one, please make things simpler for me. Make things simpler for me. I really want to interact with you. Patience and dedication. That is Hyper over there. That is very true. That's very true. Today, people have come in with a lot of learning. A lot of learning. Andrew, hi Andrew, how are you doing? Where had you gone to? I've missed you. I've missed you. Andrew joining in all the way from Uganda. How are my amazing people that side doing? Hope they are okay. So we are in for our last attempt. The sellers should let us be. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. So congratulations. That is to Millie over there. Congratulations to you. Beautiful. Marady is doing great. That's all I need to hear. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for coming through. Okay, just me. I see you over there. Hope you are doing great. I'm doing amazing. I'm doing amazing. The day is beautiful. The start of the week is lit. So why not be happy in it? All right? Having you guys here makes it all beautiful and amazing. Angela, I see you there. How are you doing? Ruben, how can I trade with you? Please check in my YouTube bio. All right, check in my YouTube bio. The donations link is over there. Go through it, and then the steps for sending in the donations are quite very easy. And the minimum is 350 US dollars. All right. For any questions, the Telegram link is also there that connects me to the Telegram channel. You can as well check it out. If you have any further inquiries, anything more, please send me a message and we talk about it. Right? Rivro in the building. How are you doing? Hope you are okay. For anyone who is new joining in, you're most welcome. Happy to have you around. Right about now, we are into our donations. Okay, we are into our donations. This is where people willingly or voluntarily send me money to trade for them. Right, and that way I encourage so much. Before you send me your donation, you have to know about risk management. Risk management is a very key. By that I mean, send me something that you are willing to lose. Something that you are willing to lose. Do not send me your last savings, okay? Send me something that you are willing to lose. Hyper, oh my god, today I'm loving Hyper so much. Okay, Hyper today came in with a lot of knowledge for us. A lot of knowledge for us. Definitely, you are not lying at any one point. Daily practice. improves our results. Very, very true. All right. And on the other hand, even if you are not going to trade, sit down and just look at your charts. Each and every single day, you look at your charts, even if you've not traded, you keep building that confidence, you keep building, working on your emotions, because at the end of the day, we are not here to trade using emotions. The market does not work like that. It doesn't at any one point. All right. We just have to have the skill to trade, but not emotions. Okay. Being impatient, the market does not tolerate that. It doesn't. The market is not our friend. It's not our friend. So get the knowledge that you need to get, have the skill that you need to have before you enter into the market. Being disciplined, being disciplined, great, patient, beautiful, risk management, an amazing skill, an amazing factor to have. Right, having a certain strategy that you are using, have a plan, have a plan. Okay. Okay, Hepa is asking who here prefers 1 minute trades. Okay, people should share with us. People should share with us. All right, I believe Hepa prefers the 1 minute ones. Who else? Who else is with Hepa over here? Okay, let us proceed. I love today so much. I love today's session so much because people are so involved, people are participating like crazy, and all of it is adding knowledge to us. All of it is improving our trading. So, thank you guys so much for sharing. Thank you so much for being here with me. Thank you for trading with me. That is Eula. That Eula Da. 350 US dollars, 6 items still. All right. Okay. Okay, for the people who do trading on a daily basis, people who do trading on a daily basis, I would love to hear from you. I would love to hear from you. Let me know if you are a full-time trader like Lena over here. Are you a full-time trader like me over here? On my end, that helps a lot. Other than someone who comes in, anyways, we have a lot of things that we have to work on or that we take care of, right? So, for anyone who is a full time trader, let me see you in the comment section. Let me see in the comment section. It makes life so easier if you do it on a daily basis, all right? Or if you have a routine that, okay, this time, this particular day, I have to be in the market. Gift is a full-time trader. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. So just know on my end, I'm also a full-time trader. But trust me, for that long time that I've been in the market, that have been trading, trust me, each day I get to my chats, I always learn something. Okay, we cannot say that I'm content, I have enough knowledge, that is it for me, and you close the chapters of learning. No, each and every single day you find yourself learning, and it's beautiful, right? It's beautiful. So who else? Who else here is a full-time trader? Who else? I know Mared is coming. Mared is coming. He shared with us that very soon. Okay, so who else is a full-time trader? Okay. Okay, so let us get started. Okay. Ooh. The sellers are still saying, no, 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 we are here to stay. So that was our first attempt. Let us give it a second try. We see. Okay. Matrix, I see you over there. Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. Okay, that's a good one. Raphael, I see you. I see you here on a demo. Not bad, but I would not advise you to be on a demo for long, because one thing I noticed with a demo is the fact that you are not losing your own money, or you are not trading your own money. So the challenges that you get when you trade your own money, you're not seeing them on a demo, so you are relaxed. That's why over here we are shouting so much, or we are talking so much about risk management, because while you are on real chats, beautiful. Okay, so we are taking it for 6 items, and we have 1 win so far. So as I was saying, when you trade and you start making those losses teach you a lot of things. They teach you discipline, they teach you that patience, they teach you questioning yourself. Why did I make a loss there? How did that loss come about? Or if you have won, how did I make that through? Right? So risk management comes through That is where you start with a very, very small amount. That's why I encourage risk management so much. Put in something small, put in something small, all right? So it helps you so much to know where you've gone right, where you've gone. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oof, so sorry about that. Still, we have made a loss over there. Not good at all. Today we came to milk the market, not the market to do otherwise. Mr. Matrix Trader, thank you, my dear. Thank you so much. Thank you for sharing. That is very, very true. All right. Have a good night. Have a good night. Over this side, for us, the day is still young. The day is still young. On your end, you are going to rest. We shall see you tomorrow. Tomorrow, same time. Okay, so Thunder, we have a win. All right. That is a win for Thunder. Congratulations. Today, I've had a number of people in the comment section. At the same time, I'm seeing them. I'm seeing them on the donations list. How blessed. Okay, Olin, that is very, very beautiful. Keep planning. Keep getting the information. All right. Okay, video track over there. All right. That's beautiful. I'm with you all the way. Okay, I'm with you all the way. So let us keep going. We keep moving together. A crypto vibes, 800 US dollars. We are looking at a take profit of 4K. Okay, today I've loved the comment section so much. You guys are so amazing. Okay, definitely. Good night, Mr. Matrix. First, we are still here. The day is still young. Okay, so Olin is asking, is it better to use indicators or price action? Price action. You can use a price action, but using the indicator alone, the indicators alone, I would not advise that. All right, let us trade having a back your strategy up, I should say. But if you say you want to choose just one, I would not. Okay, one on the side of the indicators, I would not encourage that. If you are using a price action alone, you could go with that. But on my end, I use that. Ooh, beautiful. On my end, I use the indicator just to back up my strategy that I'm using. Okay. So I would not advise you to use just the indicator alone. But definitely have a strategy that you are using, and then the indicator just helps out. On my end, let me see what the people in the comment section have to say about it. What do people have to say about it? Oh dear. Oh dear. That was so beautiful. We had moved a long way. That is crypto. Oof. I do not like this. I don't like this. Okay, over there, let me see. D33P driver, we are having 150, 350 US dollars, 1,500 as a take profit. Yes, my dear, losses are part of the game. Losses are part of the game. But I definitely always want to do better. Most of my people who send in their donations. Okay, Lay says I made a profit for the first time today. Oh, how beautiful, how amazing. That's okay. That is actually making my day. That is actually making my day. Congratulations, Lay. Congratulations to you. We are happy for you. All right. So, I definitely what you are doing or what you did today, please keep it up. Keep it up. Have the consistency. At times, when we experience the losses, it does not mean that we do not know what we are doing. For as long as you have set everything the way it's supposed to be, you know how the strategy goes, how everything is supposed to go. At times, when you encounter those losses, they should not put you down, all right? So, it's amazing that you have made some profits for yourself today. Congratulations. We as the all right. Okay, so let me give back the question to the people in the building. Olin is asking, is it better to use indicators or price action? For price action, definitely there here means the strategy that you have to use. Someone could be using support and resistance. Over here, I use price action. What do you people think? I gave my thought, so please let me see what you guys have to say. Okay, better. That is okay. All right. That is very true. That is for less still. We are avoiding those impulse trading. Okay, so we are looking at 1,500 as take profit. Let's see. All right. Maredi is in the building. Vida Shark is in the building. Lekala has joined us. All right, all right. This is amazing. Hi, Lekala, how are you doing? Hope you are okay. Happy to have you around. You have found us in an amazing mood, in a beautiful vibe. So just know you have joined in at the very, very right time. So thank you for coming through. We are happy to have you around. So let us keep pushing. Let us keep going. Okay. Yeah, Lekala is in the building. All right, Maredi is saying something. That is beautiful. Maredi is saying something. Okay, so remember our take profit is 1,500 and we are just a few dollars to hit that. All right. Okay, all right. I was saying, lady was saying something. Please, guys, hit that like button for me and subscribe as well. Let us keep it here. We keep with a beautiful vibe. We keep enjoying ourselves at the same time. We get trading tips and we share experiences, right? Angela, I want to trade with you. Okay, so for anyone who wants to trade with me, check in my YouTube bio over there. The donations link is put to the donations link is over there. Please go through the terms and conditions. The other steps for joining are really quite very easy. And for anything that probably maybe could give you an issue or where you might not understand, please send me a message on a Telegram. The link is also over there. All right. Okay, Bileni over there. Yes, my dear. Yes, my dear. Patience, very, very key. On my end, I believe that even if it is not in trading, on my end as Lina, I get so anxious, more so if I am unsure of something. I don't know on your end how it happens, but on my end, if I'm unsure about something, then I become so anxious. All right. So, what we are trying to do right here is for us to, we are getting tips. Today, people came through, beautiful energy, beautiful vibes. So, we are sharing all there is for us to share. All right. So, the patience, emotional control, risk management, discipline, all those things, a combination of all that help so much. So beautiful. That is for D33P driver. Congratulations. Congratulations. Okay, so all those reduce on our anxiety because then you know exactly what you have to do, how you're supposed to handle everything. So that anxiety reduces. It reduces. So please, so sorry about that being your biggest problem, but it can definitely be worked on. It can definitely be solved, right? It definitely can be solved. Being patient helps a lot. That's very, very true. Okay, Patrick. Okay, so Patrick over there. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Happy to have you around. Okay, that question Marady has already answered for me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Marady, for always being there for me. Okay. Okay. Your track is giving a response. Thank you. Thank you. You guys, where has all this knowledge been? You guys are well equipped, I should say. You are also well equipped, and this is it. You know, this is a house of beautiful traders. Knowledge comes through, tips come through, the experiences come through. Why not become good together. All right, no one is going to be left behind, because with the way people have started off, definitely we are going to the top together. So thank you so much for sharing. Thank you so much. Isa, 500 US dollars, one attempt. Hassan, hi Hassan, how are you doing? Hope you are okay. Lekala, I'm good. That's amazing. That's amazing, and definitely that is all I want to hear from you guys. You're fine, I'm fine. Okay, so thank you for coming through. Okay. A classic Duke. I see you. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for sticking around. Jerome, hi Jerome, how are you doing? Hope you're okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. That is a laser boy toxic. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for those encouraging words. Happy to have you around. Stefan over there, I see you. You know, there are people that I shared with. That is when I just started off with my with my trading with my live streams. The people that I shared with those first times of the sessions, and we were sharing different ways of managing our emotions, all right. And then what I learned from these people, different, we all manage differently, all right. On my end, I have two things. I'm someone who loves listening to music so much. So I would rather go to my room, have a quiet place, listen to my music. I do not specifically have a certain group or category of music that I love listening to, but depending on what is disturbing my emotions, that is a kind of music that I will listen to. Like, there is a way you feel like, okay, if I listen to this kind of music, my emotions are going uh to 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 get better. I'm going to be better with myself and all that. So we shared, and then this other person said for him, he loves meditating. You know, when the emotions are all over the place, he loves going into a room and a quiet place and have meditation before coming on the chats and all that. Then some other people were also like, I love listening to music. Other people, I just love entering into a quiet room and keep quiet. Then other people, they love being where a lot of people are, and people love, we all manage our emotions differently. So someone was like, I love being where people are so happy, you know, people are so happy. I watch them being happy. it helps me calm my nerves and all that. All right. So we have different ways of managing our emotions. But one thing I should encourage you is that make sure you do not come to trade when your emotions are all over the place. All right. Do not, because there you are definitely going to make very many losses, because you are going to trade with emotions, and every entry you make, you're going to expect it to turn into a profit, yet you have actually not seen or watched exactly what is going on in the market before you place in a trade. Okay, emotions can really really drive you crazy, I'm telling you. Okay. Okay, HEPA, my focus is the quality, not quantity of trades. Having very many trades in a particular given a point or in a particular time, it does not mean that those are the many wins that you're going to have. Okay, have calculated ones, but definitely on point. Okay, Jokoren, 700 US dollars to items. Today we've really shared a lot. Let me hope people have carried their notebooks and people have noted down a few things here and there, because today's session is really really going on so well, so amazing, and I'm very very sure that you benefited a lot, right? Because who are willing to share with us. Okay. Daniel over there, how are you doing? Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. Okay, so just one more attempt, and we call it a win for all right, names over here, but oof, sellers, what is going on? Oh dear. Sellers have thrown us out of the market. Not good at all, not good at all. Our first attempt went on so well, but the second one turned out in a loss. Okay, ticks, that is ticks, a fire rex, so right. 1,000 US dollars. We are looking at a take profit of 5,000. All right, people are serious with trading. Okay, so we get straight into it. Now let us proceed with direction. Okay, that's a clear one. Okay, so we have a plus over there. Congratulations. But remember, we are looking at a take profit of 5K. Okay, Daniel over there. Patrick. All right. That's beautiful. All the way from Montreal. Okay. We should catch up. We should catch up. Why not? Why not? Why not? Okay. All right. All right. Okay, video truck and Moredi over there. I see you. I've seen something over there that I cannot understand so well. But the fact that video truck is from Tanzania, that's simply just trying to add up. Stephanie over there must be from Tanzania. And with a look of things, we must be speaking Swahili over here. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Ooh. What's going on in the market? What's going on in the market? The market should allow me enjoy my day properly. I want to enjoy my day properly. So the market should let me be. Oof. Okay. That's very true. Trust me, today's session is lit. Today's session is lit. Okay. Why not? Why not? Why not? Okay, Olin, trust me, today has been lit. The vibe has been in the sky. All right, we have definitely acquired a lot of tips from different people in the comment section. Today, people came ready for us. I'm telling you. Today, people came ready for us. And if it's all about sharing, today people have been so involved, people have been so, so active. We have really talked about a lot, a list for everyone who came to learn. I believe there is something that you have. Sorry about that. For anyone who came to learn, I believe you must have acquired a lot. Okay, so that is a positive for Bende, and we are looking at 6 items. Oh, goodness. Let's go. Okay, that is just our second attempt, meaning we have 4 more to go for Bende. Ah. Oh my goodness. Oh goodness. What is happening? What is happening with the market over here? Why? Those are three people in a row. It's not acceptable at all. It's not acceptable at all. 352 items, that is for Bloom. Let's see how this one goes. Thank you, Hyper. Thank you. Okay, Stefan is signing out. Thank you. Thank you for being around. Thank you for your participation. Greetings to all my amazing people that side. I will be waiting for you tomorrow. Okay. Married is saying something. Okay. On the 18th. Alright. Is that how you want it? It's good with me. It's good with me. With that, actually, that is one thing that I left to you. All right. So I left it to you, manage it and see how things best go. But thank you so much for letting me know. Thank you so much. Even if it's tomorrow, even if it's the day after tomorrow, I'm all open to it. All right. Thank you so much. That is ready over there. Video track, the color, guys. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much. Thank you for your active participation each and every single day. All right. So why not? Why not? For anything that is to make my beautiful people in the audience happy, I am all open to it. So no worries. Okay, so HEPA, we are definitely looking at 455 items. Let's see how it's going to be. Okay. Okay. Love stars. I love the way you talk. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. Okay. Lekala, you're most welcome. And definitely, I should thank you. So please feel free. It's always our time to shine as traders. Okay, beautiful. That is our first attempt, meaning we have 4 more to go. Mr. KB, hi, how are you? Okay, you are saying you are new to trading. Happy to have you around. On my end, all I would request you to do is to hit that like button for me and subscribe as well. We are always here. That is 3 p.m. Canadian time. Just make sure to join in because here we definitely catch beautiful vibes. We get trading tips and we share experiences in trading. What else would we need? All right, so please always join in and we see how to go about it. Today, I do not know what exactly is going on. After our excitement, I do not know why the market is so against us, but we shall proceed. Elijah, that is 350, one attempt.
Streets never sleep, and neither do we. Forever hustling, forever free.
Okay, Moss over there, thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. Vida Truck. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Trust me, trust me, trust me. I love you guys so much. I got myself an amazing family over here. So you guys make me happy, you fulfill me. So I'm always so happy whenever it's time for trading, whenever it's time for the session. Always so happy to come here because I know I'm going to meet my amazing people. So all of us, we should feel happy, blessed, and definitely we should be involved whenever it comes to our time of trading. All right. So just know you are all very special people to me. So we are giving it one more try and we see. That is for Elijah.
We rise through the night, walk through the fire, reaching for the light. Every scar, every tear inside made us rulers in the city that
Okay, LA, thank you so much. All right, Morady is asking. Okay. Okay, so for anyone who has anything concerning trading, my Telegram link is over there in the bio. Please ensure to check up on me. Send in a question, send in a message, let's chat, and definitely let's see how to better better ourselves in trading. Joe, I see you over there. Thank you for coming through. That is Mustafa. Hi, how are you? Hope you're okay. Hope you are doing great. Oh dear. I do not like these things of closing in a loss, but today it has happened. So sorry about that. Okay, so today has been an amazing time. I've really enjoyed having you guys around. You are my favorite part of the day, all right? So thank you so much. Always keep coming through same time. And we are definitely here same time, same strategy, same, same structure, everything all new, acquiring new tips, and definitely